In this lesson, we will create a script to add all values that we have within one worksheet into one master sheet. We are doing this for two reasons. One, to understand how to grab a large range of values, and then two, to apply the data of the sheet into another. With this code, we want to make it as dynamic as possible. If the size of our data changes, for example, we want to make sure that our code is able to adjust accordingly. We're going into this sub with a couple of assumptions. One, that the beginning of the values of our data starts at a certain static cell. This is where we'll find the beginning of our range. Two, that our data after the cell, column, and row-wise is the same data type-wise. Our data set for this example looks like the following. Now that we have our data set, we want to create variables that are able to adjust no matter what size the data is. Our code will be able to detect the edges of the columns and rows and then create a range out of these variables based on what it finds. Once we have created our custom dynamic range, we will simply use the sum function and then place this value into another sheet. That all being said, the code for this is below, and you can see how it operates within the video lesson. Being able to create a dynamic range variables, such as in this sub, will ensure that there is less change you actually need to make. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.